Ishera ria seneta wa Baringo Gideon Moi kaunti-ini ya Nyeri riukite kiumia kimwe tu thutha wa ishera ria mutongoria wa ANC Musalia Mudavadi. Muikariri giti wa kiama gia KANU akihuthira ishera riri kuruta mukana kuria aria marahura uteti wa kwenderia andu guoya.
Those days ya kutisha watu imeisha. Those are those days. Wakati huu hakuna mtu anaweza kukutisha and think that they can get away with it. Everybody has a right to be in any place in this Republic of Kenya. It is the birthright.
Moi augete ati ni agukorwo akihujia ndomereri ya thayo gitaro-ini kia Rift Valley kuria arauga kure na muhuhu uratabio wa gwikira andu guoya
na kutisha wengine kwamba kama usipopiga kura hivi tutakumaliza. Hiyo tumekataa kamwe.
Oho, ishera-ini riri Moi auga ati ngwataniro ya One Kenya Alliance ne ihingurite mirango yayo kuri gitaro giki thutha wa mubunge wa Kieni Kanini Kega kuria ngwataniro iyo kuhe gitaro giki mweke.
Na tunakaribisha watu wote, Kanini Kega, governor, wote watu wa Central, we are inviting you because it's a conglomeration of ideas. It's a movement of ideas where we want a just Kenya and an inclusive Kenya.
Governor wa Nyeri Mutahi Kahiga augete mari na gikundi kia atongoria aria marerutaniria kunyitithania gitaro giki na nimegukorwo na mishemanio kaunti-ini itiganite kurehe andu hamwe.
Riu ndirenda unjire na unjire kuna atiriri agikorwo wendu kuhuna uri kwanyu ri ukahunira kwene ya ndui ni wega kwiria ati urithia kuhoya irio na niwe wathi uri mugeni no ukiingire riko githe nduri ya kiria waigirirwo metha iguru obi ukigwane kuri nyama ikununga no warerwo waru.
That in that negotiating table, and I'm happy that you have started the One Kenya Alliance, which is good, but it is not complete, because without the Mount Kenya in that table, it's not complete. So we are demanding that in the next meeting that we will be having, there has to be representation from Mount Kenya in that table.
Mutafunika yeye, na mchunge yeye, na mumpatie heshima, na mumpatie nafasi amalize wakati wake, atoke vizuri, na yule mwingine ataingia aheshimiwe pia, kwa sababu tusipomheshimu huyu mtindo utaendelea ya kutoheshimiana.
Moi asherete Nyeri gutongoria harambe ya kanitha wa AIPCA itura-ini ria Chaka. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV de kaunti ya Nyeri, njitagwo Martin Munene.